Alright, ladies and gents, quick video on how to program the new Arcturus ETU. So there's this very simple programming card. As you will quickly realize, this is a cheap copy of a Perun. So you do this very fast, semi-auto, auto-semi, and then you may see a blinking light here. I don't know if I can make this happen, but now the mode changed. We are actually on blue, which means this is active brake. 3 beeps means we are on 3. 1 beep, low battery warning means on. So you switch via selector. Another switch gets us to precocking, and this is on level 3 here, which you can see if you see the gearbox from the side, and the piston is way behind. And now, while pulling the trigger, we can change this. And you hear a number of beeps, and you know which level is set. To get out of that, you just move the selector until it gives you this doot. There we have the precocking again, you can see it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But we also have this adjustable trigger thing, which is not the most useful thing. You can lock the trigger, as you can see, so you need a bit of play to give it a chance to shoot. So this doesn't really make sense, because you can't adjust the trigger with the ETU. I did not open it yet, so possibly there is a micro switch and no light sensor, so no adjustable trigger. Well, that's it. Very easy thing, and makes Arcturus even better for the price and very reliable, even if it's stolen.